Are you looking to build muscle and achieve a powerful physique? Bodybuilding is not just about lifting weights, it's a disciplined lifestyle that strengthens the body and mind. In this tutorial, we'll explore the fundamentals of bodybuilding for men, focusing on training, nutrition, recovery, and mindset. By the end, you'll understand the key stages of bodybuilding and how to create an effective workout plan tailored for your goals. Let's start with the basics. Bodybuilding has 3 progression levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. For beginners, focus on learning proper form and basic strength. Start with full body workouts 3 times a week. Key lifts include squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Here's a simple workout plan. Squats. Do 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Bench press. Do 3 sets of 8 reps. Deadlifts. Do 3 sets of 6 reps. Barbell rows. 3 sets of 8 reps. Chin-ups. Do 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Consistency is essential. Track your progress and rest between sessions. After 6 months to a year, you'll reach the intermediate stage. Increase your training volume with split routines. Consider this upper-lower split. Day 1. Upper body strength. Day 2. Lower body strength. Day 3. Rest. Day 4. Upper hypertrophy. Day 5. Lower hypertrophy. Track total volume and adjust intensity to avoid overtraining. At the advanced stage, focus on specialization. Utilize techniques like drop sets or rest-pause sets. A sample workout plan could look like this. Monday, chest and triceps. Tuesday, back and biceps. Wednesday, legs. Thursday, shoulders and abs. Friday, arms, isolation and volume. Saturday, optional conditioning or rest. Sunday, rest or light cardio. Now, let's talk nutrition. To build muscle, aim for a caloric surplus. Increase your intake by 300 to 500 calories above maintenance level. Your macronutrient targets should be: protein, 1 gram per pound body weight. Carbohydrates, 2 to 3 grams per pound body weight. Fats, 0.3 to 0.5 grams per pound body weight. Spread protein evenly across meals for optimal muscle repair. Ingredient timing matters too. Prioritize protein and carbs pre-workout for energy. Post-workout, ensure you consume 20-40 grams of protein quickly. Don't overlook recovery, it's as crucial as training. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Schedule rest days efficiently, allowing 48 to 72 hours between sessions for muscle groups. Lastly, stay motivated. Keep a training log, celebrate small victories, and surround yourself with supportive individuals. Avoid common mistakes like neglecting nutrition or overtraining. Building a powerful physique takes time. Focus on steady and consistent progress. In summary, bodybuilding for men is about commitment and discipline. You can transform your body and achieve your goals with the right approach to training, nutrition, and recovery. Ready to embark on your bodybuilding journey? Start applying what you've learned today. Please share, like, comment and subscribe to our channel.